Hey, boys and girls, Mr. Yeager here. We're going to recap the converting customary metric units. Miss, excuse me, Miss Diaz made you some videos or some PowerPoints earlier in the week, so this is kind of going to recap it all and bring it together. Hope you're all doing well. We miss you guys, and hopefully we'll see you soon. So this is a kind of a review from last year too. We did this, the Gallon Man. So you should remember that his chest represents a gallon. His bicep and thighs represents quarts. So 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. You can see them with the green, the 4 quarts. His forearm and calves represents pints. So 1 gallon equals 8 pints. You see there, and 1 quart equals 2 pints. His ankles and wrists, 1 gallon will equal 16 cups. 1 quart equals 4 cups, and 1 pint equals 2 cups. Next slide. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Okay, remember that K is for kilo, H is for hecto, D is for deca, B is your base units, liter, meter, gram. Your deci is the D, your centa, and your milli. And this is just another way of showing it horizontally. Remember to convert to a smaller unit, move decimal point to the right or multiply. To convert to a larger unit, move the decimal point to the left or divide. This is another one to show you the converting customary units of length. So you have 12 inches equals 1 foot, 3 feet equals 1 yard, 36 inches equals 1 yard, and 5,280 feet equals 1 mile. When you're converting customary units of weight, remember 1 pound equals 16 ounces and 2,000 pounds equals 1 ton. Over here, we're doing capacity. Units of capacity, so 1 gallon equals 4 quarts, 1 quart equals 8 pints, 1 pint equals 2 cups, and 1 cup equals 8 ounces. So for this one, to convert 3 feet to inches, you would use this right here. To help you, we know that 12 inches equals 1 foot. So when we multiply 3 feet by 12, we get 36 inches. So 3 times 12 is 36. Okay. Over here, when you convert 300 centimeters to meters, you would use this right here. And it's on the last page too if you need to revert back to it. So you have 300 meters divided by 100 centimeters, which is going to equal 3 meters. So if I write it out, 300 centimeters, put my decimal, I'm going to be dividing. I move this way, 1, 2, and then my new decimal would be here. So that would equal 3 meters. Okay, move on to the next one. So when we convert 4 kilograms to grams, you might have to revert back to your page a couple pages ago. So you have 4 kilograms. So since there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram, multiply 4 kilograms by 1,000 to convert to grams. So I'm going to write 4, and there's my decimal, and I'm moving to the right because I'm going from kilograms to my base unit of grams. So I'm going to move 1, 2, 3, and then I'll put my decimal, and then I go back and I fill in my zeros. That's a bad zero, sorry. So my answer will be 4,000. This is the first time I've ever done this. It's pretty cool though. 4,000 grams. Okay? and you'll get your information from down here, or you can go back to a couple other pages and you'll see it. So convert 6,000 pounds to tons. So we know that, let me find it here, it's right there. 2,000 pounds equals 1 ton. So since there's 2,000 pounds and 1 ton, divide 6,000 pounds by 2,000 to convert to tons. So, I mean, you should know that if I have 2,000 pounds, and that's 1 ton, 4,000 pounds, 2 tons, 6,000 pounds equals 3 tons. Okay? We'll move on to the next one. So, Jenny wants to make ice cream. She buys the following items from a store. She has 4 mangoes that weigh 7 ounces each, 2 cartons of castor sugar that weigh 6 ounces each, 2 packs of heavy cream that weigh 1.6 pounds each. What is the total weight in pounds of the items she buys in the store? So I know if I come down here and I do 7 ounces times 4, I'm going to get 28 ounces because 7 times 4 is 28. And then I take the 6 ounces of the sugar times 2, I will get 12 ounces. And then I have, since I converted already, I converted my 1.6 pounds up here of the heavy cream times 16, I get 25.6 ounces. Well, now I'm taking that 25.6 ounces, I'm timesing it by 2, which gives me 51.2 ounces. When I add those all up, I get 91.2 ounces. So now I have to divide the number of ounces by 16, because 16 ounces equals a pound. So 91 divided by 2 divided by 16, my answer will be 5.7 pounds. Okay? And let's take a look at this one. Cecil compares his top track speed to the maximum speed of his pet sloth. I hope you don't have a sloth at home as a pet. Hopefully you have a dog or cat. But Cecil's different. Cecil can run 0.06 kilometers in a second. Cecil's pet sloth has a maximum speed of 1,000 millimeters in 10 seconds. So he's not getting very far very fast. How much farther can Cecil run compared to his pet sloth in 10 seconds? First, I need to convert both distances to meters. So 0.06 kilometers times 1,000 kilometers, and I will get 60 meters. Then I'm going to take Cecil's 1,000 centimeters divided by 1,000 millimeters, and I will get 1 meter. So subtract to find out how much further Cecil can run compared to his pet sloth in 10 seconds. So I know that Cecil ran 60 meters, his pet sloth ran 1. If you subtract it, you'll get 59 meters. So Cecil can run 59 meters further in the 10 seconds.